In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. So first of all, let's start with the introduction of CoinMarketCap. So here we have all the cryptocurrencies, as you can see, ranking, recently added categories and all of that stuff. The second one is exchange and community, products, and at the end we have the learn section where you can learn all of these research videos and news. So let's start with the sign up process. So you just have to tap on login or sign up button. Once you do that, you have to simply select any of the social media platform by which you want to continue, or you can also go with the email address. So once you have login or sign up with your account, you just have to start by tapping on the diamonds on the top right corner. And as you can see, these are all the diamonds that we are going to get after sign in or login. As you can see, day 1, day 2 and day 3, these are all the diamonds that you are going to get after you have signed up with your account. So once you have enough diamond, you can also withdraw them. So to withdraw your money, you just have to tap on portfolio on the top right corner, and this will show you your current balance. And the second thing is you can create a new portfolio. After that, as you can see, there is an option of connect your wallet. So simply tap on that and you just have to enter your portfolio name and your wallet address, whatever you are using right now. Once you do that, you have to simply tap on creation connection, and once you have connected your account, you can simply withdraw all of your funds into your wallet. So after that, if you want to directly withdraw money from CoinMarketCap, there is no such option right now, but in future, maybe in some update, you can do that. But right now you can only withdraw these diamonds that you can collect after login directly, but right now there is no way that you can withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. So that was the process of how you can withdraw money from CoinMarketCap.